Welcome to Serene Mind Studio. I'm so glad you're here. Tonight, we're going to gently guide your mind away from overthinking so you can find peace, rest deeply, and wake up feeling lighter and more refreshed. Even if this is your very first time meditating, don't worry. I'll guide you every step of the way. There's no right or wrong. Just allow yourself to be present and let go. So let's begin. Find a comfortable position, lying down or sitting, whatever feels most relaxing. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And slowly exhale through the mouth. Again, inhale deeply. And exhale slowly. Let's begin by connecting with the breath. No need to control it, just notice it. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Inhale and exhale. Each breath is an invitation to slow down, to soften your grip on the day. Now, bring gentle attention to your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly scan down. Soften your forehead, unclench your jaw, let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Feel your arms heavy by your side. Relax your belly, your hips, your legs. There's nothing to do right now, just be. You might notice thoughts trying to pull your attention. That's perfectly okay. We're not trying to stop thoughts. We're simply observing them. Imagine each thought as a soft cloud drifting through a night sky. You don't need to hold on to any of them. If a worry appears, try gently saying to yourself, I see you, but I choose rest. Then return to your breath. Inhale. Exhale. If you ever feel lost or unsure, just come back to the rhythm of your breath. That is your safe place. You are doing beautifully just by being here. Now, silently repeat these words in your mind. I give myself permission to rest. I am safe in this moment. I release what I cannot control. Feel your body sinking deeper into calm. Your thoughts becoming lighter, slower, quieter. Let the stillness surround you. Let yourself float in it. Take one final deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. And slowly exhale. You've done enough today. You're enough. Let your mind and body fully rest now. And if you're ready to sleep, allow yourself to drift off gently. If you're continuing with your evening, take this calm with you. Thank you for joining me at Serene Mind Studio. Good night.